Hello everyone, today I will be demonstrating on how to create quizzes through Google Forms. I know you're probably thinking, why should I use Google Forms to create a quiz? Well, let me tell you. Using this program allows you to distribute and collect information electronically. It's perfect for online learning and in person as well. You save the hassle of making copies, passing them out, and having to grade everything. Most importantly, you get to analyze the results in real time and give back to your learners faster. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own quiz on Google Forms with at least 5 questions. Create a Google Forms quiz with different question types. You will be able to analyze the results and create a spreadsheet. This tool can be used in an array of subjects. You will love it once you finish this video. Where to start? In order to create a quiz, you first have to think about what you are expecting from your learners. This will help you decide what kind of questions you will have to provide. First, you have to pick a title and description. Once that is ready, you have to decide what kind of questions would best suit your learners. Google Forms' most popular options are short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-down. As a quick example, I added a quiz name and a description. The description is a perfect place to add deadlines, subject, and the instructions. To add another question, I simply click the top button that says Add Question. My first question, I used one of the most popular questions to ask, and it is the first one, short answer. This allows the students to type in their name, but make sure it is a required question so that they cannot submit without it. The next most popular question is multiple choice. This allows you to create multiple choice answers. The students can pick one and submit. I did add the other options so that they can type in anything else if needed. The next question is checkboxes. This allows students to pick 2 or more answer choices. Those are the 3 most popular and easiest questions to use in a quiz. It's a quick adjusting the settings is key to easy grading. To turn this from a form to a quiz, simply activate Make this a quiz in the Settings tab. You will get to decide when grades are released, immediately or after manual grading. In the Settings tab, you can also adjust what the respondents get to see after the quiz, like questions they missed, correct answers, and the point values. You should also adjust the point value per question in this section. To collect and analyze results, you will head to the Responses tab. For a better demonstration, I will show you the results for a quiz that I made. You can analyze the information by summary, question, or per individual. My preferred way is to click the View in Sheets button as it opens up a spreadsheet with all of the data and helps me document grades efficiently. Now that you've learned about creating quizzes, it is time that you practice. For this activity, you will create a 5-question quiz on Google Forms. Follow the directions in this video and vary the question types. Once your quiz is ready, share the link with your classmates and gather the results. Lastly, when you have responses, create a spreadsheet and submit your results. You can do this. I look forward to seeing your quizzes.